Hey there, sweet peeps. I am back with another fun little, um, I don't know, tip on my Memory Sweet 9. So today I'm going to show you how to convert your text onto a line shape because that's always fun, right? What you want to do first is go into shapes and lines and then click on the line. am currently obsessed with this little squiggly guy right here just because it's a fun little line. So you select the line, it'll show up on your page, and then you want to add a text box. This is my cat Moose, so I can just say, I love my cat Moose. And then you'll want to select your text box and also your line, and then right click and attach to shape, and it will attach your text. And then from here, you can move it around on the page. And then you can change your font. I like to do it when it's on the line just so that I can see what it's going to look like. So you'll go to, I'm going to do chalkboard. Let's make it a 36 font because that's fun. Then you'll notice that here, the my kind of is kind of floating into each other, or squishing into each other. What you want to do is you want to adjust the tracking. So come back over here to the text, and I usually just hit the up arrow until it gets to where I want it to be. This is the highest that it goes, is to 0.30. So from there, if it's still too squishy for you, you'll just want to put the font down a little bit, the font size down a little bit. And then, yeah, it's just kind of a fun little tip that you can add. It just kind of adds a lot of character to your layouts. There's just kind of a little fun feature for my Memory Sweet 9. Thanks for watching, guys.